Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Rejoice One TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment below, turn off the notification bell so that anytime I upload the video you will be the first to be alerted. Guys, I upload every day on this channel. I bring out the latest gist, the latest things, what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. And I want to say a big thank you to my old subscribers and my new ones, and those that do support me. May the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
Omonekia ato arimekuna go call and come. This message, a good one, deliver this message to her. One of our sisters deliver message. Una know say this our sister. Now woman wey dey talk truth all of una know. If you dey talk, if you put here for wetin dey talk, you know say na the fact, the real truth na dey talk. Because of a voice, people know they like to dey watch am and they say the real fact. Who be this our sister? Mother Gladys Florentino. This our sister, Mother Gladys Florentino, is stay from one country where they call Italy. He can't carry Bible come out this morning. He can't take send message. You know say that Peking where Omonekia born way no one give the owner. Our sister can't carry Bible, can't take. He can't carry Bible this morning. He said what nothing by the truth. That they said people are free. Una go listen first, una go listen before I start to talk. Make una listen. Make una go call Dumezedo come or Dumezo. That man wey dey call Papa Wala. No be me send this message now. No be me send am una Mother Gladys send this message. I want come deliver am. But wetin dey tell una get una know that one wey the back dog live. Wey dey for France, that Christmas. Una know say come out for December. Who get that audio? May send that for me. Now, person when he sent them make them go kill my marita yesterday night. Now be this one, Bizugbe, Johnny Bizugbe, who na know. Now not say the record where the dictator say he go kill my marita for that December. So now they say they be one go kill my marita yesterday night. Bizugbe, oh, Muna go find the record for me. Not beside the to pull life for head now. I know they pull life for head now. Now say a new generation prophet Atiti don't start to. New generation prophet Atiti don't start to. Now wait till you take him out talk say it's December. He go kill Mama Ritayemi. I can't see her now say that I dey hear for rumor. I never hear for Ritayemi matter, but they say they for live video say last night, you know, both the people who sign undertaking, both the Bizugbe na the same plan. GBC now they do their work. Now GBC, you know, say that they say they keep people idle. When I drop this message for na first, when I first plan first before we start to talk. Negibu. One plan, but don't talk to us.
To come against me. Officer, when time go reach. Hello, my people.
I beg this person with the press red. Una wait there for that and I know his name. As you know his name, more like that time when I send that for my WhatsApp. Well, I go find and go block him because
Africa time.
Not be.
Yeah, they go work now.
I never talk to you now.
Okay. So happy Sunday. Happy Sunday worship. The ones going to church, pray for the peace of the world. Okay.
Amen.
So my short message, or maybe I can call it a friendly message to Dumezedo, aka Eruwala of Amsterdam. Or this is not a threat message. If you want to take it as a threat message, we will meet in the appropriate place. So before I start, let me read the Bible. I put on the full armor of God. Finally, be strong in the Lord and His mighty power. Put on the full armor of God. Take the stand against the devil's camp. For our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the.
When I go call her Jekpakokon, when I go call her Jekpakokon, now this one the press red for that side just now. Now you the press red for that side just now. When I fed delete you. I want your friend give you respect, not delete you because no destroy the community. No be GBC member. Make una go call Ajekpako come say Mother Gladys waiting for Italy for Tino the same message go they give you Godfather do Mezedo. May for quick deliver the message because now Bible they break come up for this one. Now Bible now they break come up for this one now they want quote verse for them.
Of this dark world and against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms. Therefore, I put on the full armor.
Do Mezedo when no high. Or wait heaven rain. Or what me ask bo and I do my own. I don't know.
So that when the days of evil comes, I may be able to stand my ground. And after I have done everything to stand, I will stand firm with the belt of truth buckled around my waist.
Do Mezedo, Eruwala, Umami ne Mother Gladys can wait the truth in here. In my Bible to quote him away now. Oh, we are my Bible la enia. Mother Gladys in my Bible remain. No, your money by you do it, Meroe. No, your money by you do it, Meroe. What here? What do Mezedo? What go a boggery? National cake, you know why? My beggar, my fake a cat in your national cake. You come, you when you control no one. You come no Latian, Latian. Agba when any away platform to platform was ruled here. I will take big new wa, while I want more fana, or me for the Sagia Agmo, a little by Wian. Abuma, is any bad way. Why I tell you, but I Gladys is one. Do Mezedo, do down here.
With the breastplate of righteousness in place, and with my feet fitted with the readiness that comes from the gospel of peace.
Are we a feet? Nia quoted Babona, Nia Bekan, Nia Budo, we a feet. Mujakoi, since we were Momo, Nia quoted Babon when we have more money, by thunder by force, and now you pay now. All this is 1 month, what is CNN, Emma? Emma that got this in my Bible like an Emma that got this Rotino. Or when you stand in feet to tell it, don't down here, what you know, what do down here?
In addition to all this,
are we eating out to where? Or waiting out
the shed of faith with which I can extinguish.
EJ or a web before is sequestration, and web before sequestration. Do me say do sequestration, I web before. Come out practice you any alawa. Umania,
the flaming arrows of the evil.
Or wait a arrow in your ballon or raw. Or waiting your answer, I feel a popana. I get different direction and when I can. No more. Or when you feel a row, I can do my own.
I take the helmet of salvation and the sword of spirit, which is the word of God. I pray in spirit in all occasions with all kinds of prayers and requests. With this in mind, be alert and always keep on praying for all the lost people. Pray also for me that whenever I speak, words may be given to me so that I will fearlessly make known.
Mother Gladys, you say we will pray for you so that if you speak, do Mezedo with you. Mother Gladys, I'm praying for you this morning. May God give you a strength. May God give you a power to overcome the enemy. Anywhere the enemy stand, they will not hear your voice. They must hear your voice and pray the CNN for us. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
The mystery of gospel, for which I am an ambassador in shame.
Hey, what ambassador was our boy? Ambassador was our boy. Ambassador was our boy.
Pray that I may declare it fearlessly as I should. So, everyone, yes.
Amen.
You were saying that when things happen, I just want to put you for this thing. I know they put you now. I'm just telling you, the arrest of what is going to happen to Grace and others in Benin City, in Edo State. If you are here, or I see, because what they see, these people don't see. If I'm your power, just a little like this. Okay? Just a little like this, they get scenario to move because Monica said that was why me and you with first body ever so. I didn't face you, I faced Monica, but to put yourself. Monica said that you back her for back because he tell the person where you kill, where he had for you. But I'm telling you now.
Ijo. On alawo. Ijo.
If you did a little foul play in this case, you will come to Europe and face the law because you come for me.
Owe Ebo Yezena, Madam Gladys, he said this case where they go on so where Bizugbe saying want go kill Mama Rita. This night now, they be go kill Mama Rita. He said disgrace when he did for worry, disgrace, that woman will say he be prophet. Una no say one time, where Avialele they talk to her, now I go tell Avialele say, that woman a fake pastor may not cause a Ikyoyame because of that woman. If I they do something, I know what I they do. Where Avialele they talk to Ikyoyame, and I know say I go stop one video where they do when I call and say that pastor waiting for worry is a fake pastor. Una go remember. He said, they come and draw here for you, and he warned you. Because of the person where he say you, Monica tell and say you kill, hide. He said you keep person hide. He said the secret day with her. He said that's why he said now you back Monica up. Now they tell us anybody will come be new, now go kill her. Hey, do me do. He translates.
Threaten my life with Ojuju. Okay? Everyone do
Owuka mwe bori. Owe boni. Owuna do threaten life here with a boni. Owe a CD oge a boni guye. Will wires we near yo. Owe onana ni e de gu egwana. Iya we tan fi ma de digwagbe o ma wuna la we bo. Una ri against the law with yen alone we. Even able to against the law with the alone when we in Nigeria, I'm against the law. I'm against the law in Nigeria. I'm against the law. Or when you alone when. Or we're going to hear where you get a bit or where because a video in Monica where Monica to a to say you keep us, he saying dog cotton. He say plenty video. They with them. He say even though you be Obaseki friend or you dey follow Obaseki. He say secretary to Obaseki when he for call Italy. You know how many years he spent. Who be that secretary when I mention his name? Except me get a row. When you know say now he say now they tell Papa Walana say every day he resemble Obaseki. He no concern. He said the arrest of Grace and the Bizugbe family. He said if he make pain, if don't make pain, I beg me kuna go call Goson come. I just bought 50,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, Tiffy, Tankoriko, how are you? Che, Tiffy, Tankoriko, how are you? Che, Tiffy, Tankoriko, how are you? Che, I just bought Tiffy, Tankoriko, how are you? Che, Tiffy, 3,000, Tiffy, 3,000, Tiffy, 3,000. Make una go call a con. Muna go call a con. Make we deliver this message to your papa. Oh. Make we deliver this message to your papa.
No, you threaten my life with your juju. Even if your boy will hear about juju direction or here, but don't let me wake it up and to go and report you. You know that we are not. Maybe Monica will be difficult to hold, but anyway, you know you are in Europe, you are in Amsterdam. If I should go and report you now to the authority, you will have yourself to blame in all hands. Or you will never enter Europe again.
Where if you come on go report you now, you don't threaten her with Ojuju. The cassette where Monica play say they keep people hide, say they with her. He said many not leak secret, he said everything they with her. He said you felt threatening her with Ojuju. He said you mention his name. He said if you hear pain, for this matter where they go so he said you will have yourself to blame. He said grace wey dey for worry plus people wey get a plan and they are going to jail. Now you say when I can't report to you now. You know say if this woman they talk, now no they believe. Now let me know say now the fact now the hammer, now the truth is the hammer. If Mama Gladys come out 3 times, come shout for this Papa Wala head now, they go put an order. Now if I can give a warning this morning. You know say if Mama Gladys come out for his side balcony, he go outside, he shout for this matter where they go. So wait, he say me not talk put. Say me not near there. He can't give a warning this morning. Now I say if they do not see him, maybe a boy go see him. It'll be a boy the one with thief 3,000 euro. Thief. I just back go the thief 3,000. If you not get money carry go thief. If they play a single mother money, now thief. Tiffy no, Oji no, Tiffy no, Oji no, Ajepako no, Ajepako no, do go ma via Ojo ba je wo no, Odo 3,000 yo, ya pe nu wa pa o.
It doesn't mean you should be afraid of Obaseki. Obaseki deny a whole sitting minister of agriculture.
Owe, Madam Gladys say, even though you are afraid to Godwin Obaseki, in order say the governor of Edo State, he said when he said Obaseki deny. I'm not gonna know the name when he come for there, but me know the person name. He say he deny for where he said. He said they warn you now. He said I think they give you the sharpness for social media, but they go to pepper you for social media. Now so the government of Holland go they owe you. Now so the government of Italy go they owe you. Say you don't keep pay or work by they will not buy weapon by Nigeria. This is the time I will not when the money can work. This is the time I will not work you. They don't make Nemo. They don't make Nemo. They don't make Nemo. They display their Nemo. A Monica to a Ribuyak Bomale anyhow. Do Mezedo. We are not billing one lay. We are not billing one lay. Busy. I will busy with you, Mario. We hear it having no day. You lucky year it time. Upok Bonaga, my year it over my retired bill. Upok Bonaga, my retired bog on my jet bill. In my young question, in I do fancy go if I say. Hey, I got fancy go. Oh, Bizugbe, Madam Grace, I want you gone now. Hey, Grace in or what? We're going to be. Or waiting again, waiting a jokey. Or when Walaga make pace. Or what they ought to face again. Away Gracie, we Bizugbe, I do, Monica to worry, awaken on Iji, or away but not well European or Bizugbe, when we France in Italy. Oceana na agununa sineme. Deti yerita wu when we do tie na walk out la dia wu yerita wa agbe wa. Agi we na nta wa ti Feliciano dukmo ri wiri no. Feliciano dukmo ri wiri. Uwe na agbe yerita wa be Bizugbe. Abeg eneni ha. Get Gladys Gago Wagwafone. Get Gladys Gago Wagwafone Kiswe. I'll abandon him in Europe prison, not to talk of you. So no while I'm giving you, it's not a warning. Keep the. Yes, happy red regina. Don't want to be red regina. Don't want to be red regina. Nerana Billy 12 lay. I beg you. Nere wala na kima ya gbele 12 your lay na begi yan e won kini agige e wani agbele le ni yan mema everything there is nonsense for some nonsense when the man in baba wey do smile at head always there is nonsense for some nonsense.
Okay, please tell me to share this video to Oluwala that even me
me they share my own. I hear they share my own. You some share the video to Oluwala do Mezedo. Me they share my own. Now me not feel right. I don't feel right. Now what I feel to share my own. I they share so one own.
To say money can you boss to do? Of which you never came out to decline that thing, and we have me Meme Gladys, I have all evidence against you. So try yourself. Okay? Try yourself, Eruwala, by standing the back of evil of Monica to start intimidating people's family. Let me tell you, it's not the case. It's not the case between me and Monica now. The videos that Monica has done, think that she's using it to humiliate me. That is most of the video I'm having today. To send all of you out to prison. Monica, you know.
Ijo. Dona, do mezedo. Umaka my second wife we no la wa no yakoko we. Umaka mi ye no la wa no yakoko we. CNN marry. CNN marry obesi we fi obe ni adu mezedo. Omeneki abesi we fi obe CNN umari. Oh, we got a pen, Mother Gladys, or waking out wayari. Nick Beckham do damage.
Video. The video is already with the authority in the court in Italy. How does this video come up? This video, the boy that paid you chance to come and insulted me. Okay? Thinking that the same boy ran to the police to say that I call him gay. This is my evidence. So this same everyone are yes, so when they
Ajekpako tifi 3,000, tifi 3,000 euro, tifi 3,000 euro. Ajekpako gogo, where you say open orphanage home. See now, at the same message you, at the same message, the same who share the video. May you go call your godfather where they give you 500,000. Where you call it because of they cost people for social media. You call it because of to talk like, call they deceive people. Tifi 3,000, tifi 3,000. Oh, Jigo. Atakpara panogi oji ajekpako wayati ero gogo ojoba jewu atakpara panogi oji no ka du go re Spain ona du go re Germany etuwe ni mana agbema imana agbema ajeboji go no odu go re iya mo gogoro do pe gogoro Where am I dwarf? Where am I dwarf? Where am I dwarf at the body? Dwarf. I get boy dwarf, you know, where am I dwarf at the body? You know, my time, I shot my boom. Oh, job budget will not just 3,000. No, I job no, when I job off on it, Jigo, no, job budget will know. Or do 3,000, you. Or do 3,000, you go not in an area. Or we are no judging out. Young Billy Malay. Not question. Yaya can walk. Yaya can walk. Yaya can walk where? Open logo. Yaya can walk where? Wawu wasa. Wawa agbena makame. Yeah, when I this. Me to come and ask what happened. When I bring out this video, it was then a table action. Even I change my table. Okay? James not have to be prosecuted. Owe a boy Nitana, owe him with video nalaja, owe Ezona change. Owe James, owe Balo Muyotoni, Puskutu Ted. Puskutu Ted, owe Balo any, owe Puskutu Ted, you know. And now when you come 1 year. No, and now when you come 1 year. Oh, you say juice. You say juice. You say juicy. You say juicy. You juice. You say juice. What guy you gonna put him? The video when the chief called me from the palace that you reported me in the palace. Okay, the video is there. Then the video where they were laying curse on you, Eruwala, your family, your wife, and your children. That said that the husband and wife, that said Eruwala worry. Video, the boy that paid you chance to come. Or where the curse Imagine you go time do man at a cost edo. Or where the cost ni lay where oh wanokwa Bini, the cost that lay you and your wife and your a master generation. You and your wife okay. You are Monica to Arino Abidino. You are woke not ye. I woke not ye. I wish I never not be any. I wish I be no. I want Monica to Arino be no. A family boo. Or we family bunia lay cost now. One of the time we go away jen. Away jen. Amount and metal yo. He got this.
Sorted me. Okay? Thinking that the same boy ran to the police to say that I call him gay. This is my evidence. So this same everyone I yes, so when they called me to come and ask what happened, when I bring out this video, it was then a table not change my table. Okay? James now have to be prosecuted. So everyone the
what prosecuted? Only log what prosecuted. Or we are prosecuted the NL, or when we hear him with video like the court, or we have a courty, or we honor the Ojo we give him our anyhow. Ojo we give him our well for my yezo, as your Mayiko. Or where we father had been a no Gasiva, if Biname, even with Bina carried the hard day with Biname, or when I share, and I will share now. Or when he show it, and now you go out, and I will share with you, eh? What him?
When the chief called me from the palace, that you reported me in the palace. Okay, the video is there.
A war in Umu Baye. Una Tia Bonnie, a way chief calling the palace, one of what? A way chief calling a video near Benia Kawe. What when are you nearby, even in a mouth by far? And so we are a Yahoo. A monarchy, or when on Larry not the talking truth. Or we are not the talking truth when I got my bugbear. Or when you have my bug, go one no, or my Obunurie, away Monica to a rip your Panamamure. I wish I be your Panamamure. I will you allow a beer in man or he will aware cause generate in the family. This or when you don't Madog share the video. If my me we make Wagman a comment session. Make Wagman a comment session, make set me piercer like your teen, I very marijuana. So, and I will you make share.
Then the video where they were laying curse on you, everyone and your family, your wife, and your children. That said that the husband and wife, that said, while I'm working here, they tell them, I have all the proof. That everyone is the one that sent them. You should come to.
Or who worry the family, or when you worry the family, no, we were. So, you know.
Again, I say it, waiting concern me, concern you. For laying that cause of which the prosecutor of Italy knows already about that video. Why? Because he knows that.
They will not hear Poscututona. They will not hear Poscututona on a wake before, or wait the Poscututor. I don't want to tell my Kututor. And you know when I wake up. Or Poscututor. Or waiting on Poscutu. Or when video ya win, video ya win. Or when the Monica Wuyagbawa. Or when I am a body. Or when you are going, no cut him not after.
Bobby prosecuted me. Just because I stand for the truth. But all these things you people are doing. Nobody, if you.
Mother Gladys, it shall be well with you. Can't go on at home. Iwan, only the voice will attack. Iwan, voice in Iwan, like, when we give you where you know. Nema making that damn video now when I show it. Me na do you make pay. Na do pay na do mezedo. 50,000, 50,000. Ajepako doafo. E doafo amu doafo no rejemere. Wa amovi akpo no total office chair no go so to wa amuri ajepako gogo. Wa amuri ojoba je we no be 3,000 yi. Hello. Hello. I did live video. I did live video, my brother. I did live video. Okay.
I'm not in any group. Because these people, you belong to a group, and you belong to a group. They will change your life to betray you. I'm not in any group, but I will never stand for evil.
Oh, where when you mean now we in any group? Oh, we are a group B, we are a group B, or we will betray you, they will pull out on your head. Oh, we are a group A, we are a group B, we are one say, or we they will pull out on your head, or what's any I won't say. Oh, we are on work by fee and we here. In a TV mama, when you are TV mama, it shall be repeat like that. Or we because we are Lilian here, who are Lilian Mopo, or who are TV Maya, in a if you will here, even we are tired, I just pack away. TV 3,000, TV 3,000, TV 3,000, I just pack on no job by Jewu. I just bought TV, wait, TV 3,000 when they can go as they say you fed the thief money for Spain before. They tell me all of them. And in a way, my way, you're my way, I'm in my year. You don't do it for my face. TV 3,000, I just pack Ojino, I just pack Ojino, Ojino, we go to you, we're going to get them where you are doing it. Wagumeka Moko, what your Piari, what your Kori, what have your Mori, wow, while we pick up by next to making out by the cook by, or to go and I will not hear you want to do it. And I do Kiuni, I know making up you want to get Godfather, I do Mizedo, I went to Mizedo, open, away around here, or I will go, and I went to come with 3,000. No go and deliver a message now. What your piano, what you come if you don't know what I.
Hey, and Monica is too small. I'm thinking. So it's making
me very able to sinking. Oh, sink here, Monica sink. Oh, we Monica wait to us. Oh, we sink. Sinking. Oh, Monica was sinking. I will not buy for doki or we be all over him. Or will be a tell Umami again on ya. Or what pant you no borrow money again on ya. Or where you are sink. Or where you are sink.
with their family. Okay? Look at what Monica did to me. When he bring out my brother video. When I say I forgive, it doesn't mean that he should continue doing what
you hate.
He said that somebody bring my brother video for them.
Away, if he doesn't forgive, he should not continue from where he starts. If he doesn't forgive, he should not continue. I say content and saying forgive and now he can't come out again on Monica. He say he wants set he say the backbone where they send a message. Do Mezedo Eruwala. He say he go send a J. Eruwala na I'm not sure say na my friend for Facebook, but person will be my friend for Facebook. Na Jekpako Ogogo. We get fake orphanage home. Fake orphanage where they call himself a Daze, we not get anything for her. That day, no say don't deny. Say no get us for her, say but na European can't get. No say before if they deceive you, na the time when they follow me the waka. The time when they follow me the waka, I go say a Daze sesi, a Daze sesi, a Daze sesi, a Daze sesi. If you see person where they call himself a Daze sesi, so if you sit down for a feature, he left not the rich ground. Dwarf. If they work and it be dwarf so as it be dwarf so na belle come big put. If belle be like woman wey dey conceive. This are Jekpako. Na tiffy 3,000. It the time we dey for Spain here na so the thief. You know the work na that in month the thief people they go for streets. The time we dey for Spain here. He go thief his wife rapper, he go sell her for women waiting for street. Go rich rice where they put for house. And Jekpako the thief and go they sell for other place. Not beside the pull life for here though. Una see and daddy will thief 3,000. If una not say one find the video, one plan for now.
Of which is already.
One find the video for now, one plan for now. Mona for no. Mona not say attitude the city. Attitude why we win. Attitude why we win. Attitude why we win. Metori. Even now me eta. If you go go if you do not do 3,000 you. If you do not do 3,000 you. Omaro na renokwa. Omaro na renokwa. Ne. Omaro na renokwa. 53,000. 53,000. 53,000. 53,000. Wagay. Wadame yo. Wadame yo. Wadame yo 50.
Yes, hello, Rima Veloz, your butter. Oh, Benny K, TOS, my phone, you know. My brother is sad news, but please, every sad you understand. But I have to break it out to you. So he said, understand control our report. Maybe make a problem in it, and it can really Frankfurt Airport, they control our road, they told my right, my country black here. But at the end of the day, I'm a Ujoba
Jewu. 7,000. Amadi we will control our road. Uguso wa. Una mwepo wa. Una so se we aye. Una ari ba una ya anwanyo. Anyo no we won we man una yo biegbe. Una yo ipalo me. Dam yo.
11:30 why I said to say because first motor wa ila 11:30. Mercedo ise park tie o seven si ni wa we fi o seven no se keve no do pick e mo motor o do pick e Meso wane ni mawe ya gegire ni mawe re ave doa itu ome you know. So meso wa ina one so ma lele gbe are ibai meso si me no do pick me because you do pick me ma yi iwanyo if we ma danyo of your moto we yourself bai.
Je boy 50 go joba je wo aje pa ko go urabi yewe ekuju e yo kera. Iya we kuju e o ye uke wu omo we imi an we la wa sis we make sure ni ogu kan make sure nu ogu jo be fagunu e no keke ni ojoba je wo me ireju nu wa ni imi kin la pe gogoju wa hu ni video na make na lad no make na ga imi kin ga so gogoju wa hu wo kan.
So me ya gwe osimove gwawe ibai me ige ye be bumero we de an ge ye be kwa ni e de pe bume an de there's no problem af ye ko you wa mene e kporu wa e na wo ma se me so me ya so ni la wa me de pe la wa i me ibe nwanyo me ma ko ye be so wa o ye sete
anyo nu nwoma nu kena ayo una yo biegbe una yo lele palo ya fefefe na du ye ayo igwi ori fian gbeku ayo efian obio o de gogogogo na ife ko mo lo ye wa ga na ife ko do yun wa me ege no ya pupu pagbo we na do la video me we to do no water e kama we na we disgrace we opologbe e disgrace we upolo egbe amen we be disgrace no le ru efian Ogwe ogeta ogwedi mi arbitrate na we betray the mo ra video ona we di arbitrate na we betray there e de na even kwa master tam we all you we so here kwa master wo juhi owo nu atemata kwa master wo nu atemata wo joba je wo hin ge enia gawe the proof enia gawe the proof
Pamela Wania Equa, my brother Pony wa Mulania ni Vederio. No one me any. We may wear so that you gonna roll it if you he say me wage my brother 3,000 euro online gonna ere cause you gonna fuel me for 4,000 envelope paga.
Oh, we not we go here for 4,000 anyway. The person no matter o ma mo 8,000 o mu pa. Ajebo ojo ogbo e Ogogo. Sisu mo no respected boy. Have a proof na kan da pe yo to. O we 18 years oje. O we glory no respect. Wa do ge ru wa ra o. Wa do ge ru wa ra e. E ru wa du o my go mu. Me ya yagbon wa. Ya yagbon kan wa. Me. Ya kan wa iso wa. Akona gogyo yi kam. Iye kini ala mu wa ya fefe. Oni no zuwo ni obi sa da ye ni na no wo kan fi enwe kwa ni. Igbe aga dan no mu yo wa. No mu da gbe eri ane na maba wa ga eni a. No ya so stop anya kerekere. No magi ya nwanyo kere da di kerekere. O di do. O di do because ukpanyo yan ri yo ni obo. Ukpanyo de bed mo fi da house ari yo obo. Eh. Ma one. Wa ya. Wa de ni pe se me po graduate fún ni ka po go jina fún ni. Oje 3000 wa ya tieri. No ti go father ready.
Me wa get my brother 3,000 euro online go na ire cause you go do few me for 4,000 envelope para no. You understand me maybe o wa bi envelope o pari e bi at the end the envelope para maybe do get 4,000 o pa 1,000 ke bo pa so at the end of the day do ya we people na 3,000. So it's not really me ya iso ihon wae iso wae ero waria ti o se move. Do se baba na ke do tie we na see my brother imagwale lo e do hia amami kire po na jo na ka na ka ma we yen ke ne no na no tutayi no pa we yen ke no tutayi so ma
O si we no mu motor do ya mu we ajepako o si we no mu motor do ya mu we ni ha we magi ke no riste yi o je 3,000 ogogo orphanage home tifi we ya digo single montavio o si we no do yi motor mu we ni ha ajepako we magi ke no riste yi ika pe fun ni
ye kwa lo vina wa gwana na we I have to tell you me mai kolo wo kime mai mi me no mai gi aye na we I have to tell you already aye no ka be in so la wo receive a message now try no tie me WhatsApp more your way so to my brother have feedback more
fun e no see ni na so ni eyi mo be na because the godfather ge no he godfather ge edu me de do father like son godfather tifi godfather tifi o no tonore ute si fune o ni ya fune odule o to no manya ke ya odule ya fio o na fune me de nu imi ana we na so nu to gba nu te du me ze to wa go gbe mi e wa gugwa lo wa fi oge yo won de du me ze du wa we o me no re France e du de du me ze do e wa gbe mi wa we ari wa gbe mi abi inbox mi wa na inbox mi we na inbox mi wa na inbox mi we na abi mi ana wa ni ya wa mo gbogbo wa mu na gbo na ka gbe tifi 3,000 godfather like you atapara pa no goju wa yakin ni ka po gratis fún ni ka po gratis fún ide gbe sun won because e ma so ami ani yen ma di rugo yen setting understand ya de gbe sun won o de gbe start ma wu wa no
Because prosecutor is not against Monica now. It's against the people paying her to come against me. Officer Waila, one time go reach. The video when Monica said you be trafficker, I will bring it out. Okay? Then you will come and tell the court of do not court. Now. That is why I don't report any. Go to court first. But when you come to me, I don't go back. That's why I don't go. But this one, he got any foul play.
He gradis in Mooney. Mother Grasses, Flotino Mooney. Anytime I am with Bible lady, he yourself, anytime I am with Bible, almost to Riani, almost to Betty. Do me zedo, Eruwala. Voice ona yo egbe nwino ge no. Voice ona yo egbe nwino ge no. Voice ona yo egbe nwino ge no. We yese ti si omoni shan ya abi te shan ya mamu ade live video. De te shan yo e shan mamu omoni ade live video we yese ti si ama we do we bi de. Ama we no omoni ka bi enu we omoni kia we ke ya mu we. O tewe ya o etuma ya o tema tanoro. Du meze de u tema tanoro. E monica ma no mo no nya no we ta se video we omoni e go na anwa jo ri ko we u ta se video nya ga ise CNN e CNN o ri na fe ni amugwe e ti mama mi no ro ma mi no ro e ti mama egbe wo we yan mo nu eniyan o we video ya e video ya no ya o we ni monica ta or when you are I only wunu me na wunu me na wa on e ban onu me wa na oni or when you agbo ma fi ole we ya go yen o or we pursue to go ene or we pursue to ene o
that you are telling somebody tell me about this what is going to happen to Prince and cover with Monica. How you have yourself to blame. Write it down. The next night of January 2022. Write it down. You will have yourself to blame. And when I bigger to let these things all against you, I will never go back. Go arrest my mother. What I'm wishing me.
Do wala la when ya la wa. When ya la wa ka ya le report ni we ga go egun iye ke orila. Egeni ya da to tai wan ga live video ya ga fano. E de yari wa bu yari ni. Yari wa bu yari ne jeni yepe
you can call it that they call it that come here pastor the rest of my mother people are planning it Orun almost a funeral of Bergamo Orun Jackboy that's my brother in Dublin because those two people they came to social media to betray me. And they will be the one to pay. If anything happened to their mother, the priest anything, then their mother died, it only concern me. Okay? It is in the neck of a funeral of Bergamo and a Jackboy. So you put you don't cut that heart, okay? You take your right to me later, we go in the wrong way. Who will be so there? Okay? Who will be so there? Monica cannot year by year be intimidating people or bringing people's mothers, people, brothers out. And she will still be talking that Rubala do Mezedo, you have yourself to blame. You will, this is not a threatening. This is not a threatening. Never. This is just a friendly message to you. They cannot hear foul play. If not Obaseki, being a friend to Obaseki will not save you here. Go and write it down. Okay? That's just the message I have for you this morning. Keep it and learn from it. It's not a threat. It's just like a friendly message of which you have yourself to blame. Wait a minute. The vegan that money can confirm that you're a human trafficker. I've never been a informant in my life. Because there's only the people.
Oh, wait time is a warm go a blame. Oh, wait time I said warm go a blame. Or where the Monica said it, a Monica, or where video wuru yeki. Or where Sisi Amami, you were Donia. Since we were working at door, when not really said Ogbemule, even the Monica guy, or what took Billy Malay. A mother gradis for the Bible and we are Fiona. Or where they that keep by sword, here we die by sword or type web, or we not be by sword. Since we're born lay. Owu ka owu ka fi ma do eriota o unwe igazisi na owu du ma hamia ni ala wa gege lewo kian owu pupo wa ya da intimidate ma life yo wa ya fi ro ma laja fi yo wijo ma ladian owu ge se ni ya sisi ya ma mi we do wo nyando du mezedo owu ya mi we bo you can't juju. When you go take my name,
content do for juju causing, you will have yourself to blame with childish. All videos, I have all videos. So make sure I let the sleeping dog lie. If there's anything that you did with Monica, that you are afraid that Monica is coming to expose, that is why you continue granting him everything she requested. She settled with anybody. The people ask her for forgiveness, so we don't give a damn. Me, I don't give a damn. Fine, I remember why I forgive a damn. But I will not allow her. He just what you concern me. He did it to my brother. He did it to my family. He did it to my family. Ask Mama Joy. When Mama Joy was insulting me that year, he said that Monica's mama the grace. Even ask Mama Joy, I don't understand the wisdom we God give me. Now it's me God give me I take to the social media. When Mama Joy called on me 3 years ago, I be there about this boy James K. He said make I call. He said Daddy so James Nand.
Okuna mi. Eriri instead me ayeriri. So or quote ni quote Bible no way. You na make a reference no way. He make a reference we video na do mezedo. Or work pẹ̀lú kele. O ma gbe bogin we ege se no ya gbe bogin we nenia. Or work pẹ̀lú kele no ma gbe bogin we do mezedo. E gratis what say no ya gbe bogin we ni. Or we na pen.
Because they do Nyash will not come out. I call laugh. Mama Joy even confirm at your daddy. She confirmed it in these people, you people cannot take me out of my track. If there's anybody that told you, Mama Joy, to come and tell me, to come out and start calling, hey, just so you became, you know, I'm too. Hello.
We're gonna listen that. I'm not going to listen now because we're gonna listen.
Good morning. I know the men of Fla sit down. Men of Fla go sit and sleep now for Europe time or in Africa time. Me and they go work now. Okay. So happy Sunday worship. If you want going to church, pray for the peace of the world. Okay. So my short message, or maybe I can call it a friendly message to Dumezedo, aka Eruwala of Amsterdam. Or is this not a threat message? If you want to take it as a threat message, we will meet in the appropriate.
Owe ona a message in Ari Gidumezedo na okuna na tie Madam Gladys Noro Italy Florentino. Owe is not a threat. Owe egegase they will meet. Owe sis if you do what yo. Owe sis yama mimi uwe do Monica atu arika ewe ugboma viole. Owe CD nu ya mu ebogbe ori yen. Awe CD ni Monica aka we mi gugu no talo ga kun ane ban wa dam yo to boy time nu we wa na on. Owe yin na we ni do give away. Owe is not a chair outside. It's not a chair. With time is one me take baby. We kusukusho where at time. Kusukusho ya auto boyta. Auto boyta kusukusho no man auto boyta. We not that.
Place. So before I start, let me read the Bible. I put on the full armor.
We yeke swe. Do boy mawe. Before you come and give you instruction. Or when letting read Bible on a benon wine, where mu gua where I will go. A benon wine where I belong and lay on a muladi on a coat when well. On a coat when
finally, be strong in the Lord and His mighty power. Put on the full armor of God that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes. For our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the powers of this dark world, and against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms. Therefore, I put on the full armor of God, so that when the days of evil comes, I may be able to stand my ground. And after I have done everything to stand, I will stand firm with the belt of truth buckled around my waist, with the breastplate of righteousness in place, and with my feet.
Hello.
Hello, no one was up there.
What off we be? Irela video.
No more sir.
Irela video.
Yeah, we like. Yeah. Moi last to carry.
Moi last to carry okay. Go baba. What? Tamamenya, tamam. Obewe no ajepako. Ni mo last to carry ni mo yo, ni wa mo yo. Mo yo ne.
Ajebo obewe no so ero. Ofu na mu we azie we bu. Ofu na mu we azie we bu ajebo. My sin ofu ni wu we. Una si ae, usi aya da video. Ajebo ogun bu ajebo.
Ogun gbe.
Ofu oni as a cousin mahu. Cousin sister me no.
Because you were
Ajebo frustrated woman. Yes. Ajebo frustrated woman. When sana.
Idamo.
Obiere ma o mai family o. Get a point o mai family o na ka mu ajebo ona mu aje we bupa.
Idamo.
Adiela ajebo na frustrated that woman. Abelu watani we oga mo yupo gelegele mota no o wa je bawu na le ku edo munye wa ni butana o ya ta dan yo le ku edo munye ya no na ala bibiye we wuji wuna wo lo de iwo gwa obi ya mu mo yupo obi amu ye driving ye jo
PJ
ọbẹ tàbí ọrẹ mọ fífẹ sí ẹdẹ lọ.
mímẹ́ka náà ṣẹ́jẹ́ ọjọ́rọ̀.
no as in me call the yẹn mana sàn mi náà dẹ̀gbẹ́ wẹ́wẹ́ amáwùnú náà ma wá bìkọ́sì ìwọ̀n yìí kọ́lí ti sá mẹ́nu.
uwe kọ́lé glory ọ̀nàgùwẹ̀gùn.
Yes.
Okay, gumaguma.
Ìmì náà dùn dẹ̀ nù ináwó òkè. Where I'm after what time so to na but o carry type wa oge multiplicity o yon bana no o carry type wa but now we only be confirm nu emi ya confirm owa jebo owo ma win na owe ye bene ebino lo na today na bedele na owo bewe no va jebo ro owo we mu esupo Autota wi moto odo moji owo mi ya fe ita otene ina we di oja owe ti ra ma pika shop e pe owa aje ogbun yo bo ati to ogbun ra mi ro gele bega ajebo bela ajebo igun ajebo na de gbe igun won na de gbe ajebo e mo wa
enobu we na here.
Ajebo mo gba.
Enobu we na here.
Yes, enobu na here.
Aso yare pon ado type.
Ajebo e mo gba. E mo de. Beni e amotion re ina isa okay. We do na what we ma. So ajebo yen lu ebo nu gbe den.
Bolo obi ya mu lo wa.
E ti cha obi my brother me. Wentana obi en mai ina we ma fi tun we na e fi kaje bono mama bege aje bo wa gbege ni Star Glory yin gbe e wona wona e je mi no be je na ya we ni e je wona o ye be do mo ju ko na o mo ha ni keke bo no mu yo wa na we to oni ya we to ni be je o we je mo so oh ya blockable ajebo yibe jiwuna na ya egun na omo dase yi bona dase
adaze baby
Àjẹbọ ìgúnwẹ bu adéjẹmí wa ìgúnwẹ bu adéjẹmí. Ìgúnwẹ bu adéjẹmí wa. Ọjọ́ tàtú àgbẹ̀ wà. Ọ̀dàfẹ́ náà ní gbé ọ̀gbìnrin ní gbé.
Ọ̀dàfẹ́ ní gbé náà ní gbé ẹ̀mí rìẹ́ ilé yàtọ̀ ẹ̀.
Ẹ̀mí obi ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ náà yẹn obi ẹ̀ tán obi ẹ̀ 22 years ọwọ́ gbaná 22 years.
It could be.
Wẹ́n nù adẹ́jẹ̀pọ̀ ìtúpọ̀ ní.
A pet ọmọ dẹ́nẹ̀ pent. Gbẹ́ni mi.
Ọmọ dẹ́nẹ̀.
Ọwọ́ kí yẹn.
Ọwẹ́ kọ́ nìyẹn
Àjẹ bóyá ìrìẹ́ máa dúpọ̀ nìyẹn but mi dúpọ̀ ní ìrìẹ́ nì. Mi dúpọ̀ ní ìrìẹ́ nì. But àjẹbọ́ máa jẹ́ di dúpọ̀ ní ìrìẹ́. Òwúrẹ̀ ìrìẹ́.
Ewu maa na ni etie jo gwa na. Beno gbagbe na ọma gbagbe na ewu ani. Ọma na gbagbe na àjẹbọ amu etie ne.
Ọmọ etie ne ne. Nuga ma egun a.
Àjẹ una wa because àjẹbọ no ke ewu maa na ye wo dori. Oti agwa lo because of ewu maa na me go kere. Okay, ekeni go wa je àjẹbọ no sikun yi. Wala wo okay, see ọ̀rẹ́ pay ọmawuna. Ọ̀rẹ́ pay Spain na beje ọmawuna ọbẹ se Germany ọmawuna wala watiere no ditali mari una ne
wo ria
no ditali ajebo ditali
iyo wa Italia
sise no no iwe sise ọ̀rẹ́ pay ye stay ọmawuna ona le pa na ya de Germany na ya ọbẹ re Germany na ya ọmawuna je ewuna okay de keno hin na una no ditali no do una
Amigo tu mu Italia.
Okay, nyaji we owu we bet. Okay, we mama tenye, umeti pego wa, umeti kokomo. Demi e koko.
We ro problem.
Yemi go ade la dia.
For where?
Ọmọ na bet beno we bega. Beno go macho is that of a boy wa.
Wa to mi na gbon ama we.
Ye matter we bega. Beno go we ba we e man literally one. O wa atiti begi, we matter ti. Emo wa beno okay, ana ami je ye ba. Okay, we're not cure panajo. Okay, my after no cure panajo Tuesday. I will genocide. I will call it Mudia. Where me Region we walk panajo.
Iya garewa, ye dite ko ba ye. Iya garewa we. O ama. O me we are ye kya boli ya o eniyan.
Ija Onya kon le wa.
Iya bi jo gbara. O iye e wo jino. Erije bi. Glory God. Nike ko ba we. Nike e rapa ni ye glory gi den ni je. E rapa no gi den ni glory den ni jebo. Iya jebo ni ma be se be ma se. Be no vie ma se ri aje iya jebo ni ma se. Ajebo e glorious ajebo da we po jene na. Obe adukpo obe moti on ekele obe adukpo gie iye ajebo ogbo ma yesi mo be ke no ri la egeno eti my work call me si ma be egeno no glory e waro pa to gbe da ya se gbe glory ya se gbe ju waro pa to gbe Obe ya se kene fifi an yele yan e fifi an mojo we kiwani iyan oti en ori tali we fifi an e oti en ori jemi we fifi an e ku e ogbo ni ba wo wa e wo wa ya o da foni no re jemi o da foni no re o da foni no re jemi mo je o da foni no re jemi ni o da foni na do wa ona bu wa ona fi be ni je fifi an dai we na gbo na ma fi be ni iyan ma fi be ni an Iya do propato yan mu.
Bege.
Ojo ije ni ko yo. Aje po fi pe wa je no yan.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware